Well, I'm on all the plans to go, man.
You'll fuck the whole door up if you
No, I'm recording. It's chilled.
12 minutes. Go. Fuck.
No, we've got this, bro.
take it to a happy place,
I know it's like mentally it's going to be super tough. Getting tough a little bit. Getting difficult.
Think of a happy place there.
I'm just going to do it.
Yeah, you definitely can, Ray. Fucking course you can. You should do 13.
Yeah. Probably.
Another thing is when you look at the population section, so
You're allowed to talk, eh?
Huh?
I said you're allowed to talk.
Yeah, I'm just quite amazed.
But that lasted 30 seconds.
You're gonna make 2 minutes shortly.
you made 1 minute.
This should probably start next year again.
But luckily we bought lunch. I'm sure I can eat it in 12 minutes.
Luckily my calves are hitting already.
Huh.
My quads.
Maybe you should just take a break now and we can wait for Richard. And leave Richard to When he gets to the 6 minute mark, you're going to stop and wait for it. I'll just do your warm up.
Quite a long way. Now we just got to do a minute by minute. Just do it.
He's got this, dude.
Really strong. You set T on that back.
$180, homie.
One.
$180, homie.
Almost on the team.
Yeah, bro, it's freaking awesome. You just keep going.
Shoulder. No, not hurting. It's fuck all wrong. It's easy.
Lightweight.
You can't let Freddie beat you, dude. Let's get serious. You're doing great, dude. You're doing well.
Happy thoughts, happy thoughts. Come on.
Real number.
Yeah, the hard's over, dude.
Not everything just runs out and it just...
Your hard work has really purchased the damage.
So keep going, buddy. Keep going.
Yeah, come on.
It's perfect, guys. 12 minutes break.
Come on, dude. You're flipping great.
What's that? National, international sound check there. Wow, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Yo, man.
Keep it there, come
Dude,
on.
you've got this, bro. Come on. The hard part's over. Keep going, buddy. Keep going.
Don't drop, stay out.
It's not gonna happen, man.
Dude, it's happening, bro. It's fucking happening. Come on.
Hold it there. Don't drop.
Shoulder wide.
No, Nick. Come on, man.
Step there, don't drop.
Come on, dude. Come on.
Dig deep. BMT,
Must
BMT.
make 6 minutes, man. It's easy, dude. It's too hard.
Yeah, that's why you're number one, bro. It fucking has got this.
Stay up, come on.
Come on, buddy, come on. Come on, dude, dig deep.
Don't look at the side. Keep it there. No.
Not crumbling, dude. Come on, man.
Still strong. Strong frame, strong frame.
Come on, dude. I expect this of you. Come on.
There you
Come
go.
on.
Second win now, second win. Let's go. Almost there, almost there. Hold it, hold it.
Come on, dude. Halfway. This is coming easy now. Come on.
Set. Keep it there.
Come on, buddy.
Strong
Come
line,
on.
strong.
No, bro.
No, man. Come on.
Come on.
You must get 6
Yes,
minutes,
yes.
Nick. Come on.
Don't say no, come on.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
Stay up there. Keep it going.
Beat this challenge, dude. Beat this challenge.
Stay up there.
Come on, dude. Come on.
Come on.
Yes! Got past halfway, bro.
Dude, this is easy now. Come on, Nick. Come on.
Oh, too far to stop now, too far, come on. Keep it
Dude,
there,
come
keep it
on. Dude, come on. You're freaking elite. You got
there.
this, man.
Strong. Finish off strong now. Come on.
Dude, you can't let yourself down now, bro. Come on.
No ways.
Dude, come on.
Keep it, come on.
Hey, Vic, don't even think about exercise, think about far away. Think about
Fuck them.
play mobile golf course in your head, bro. Go to the first team, play each hole, bro. Like the time you finish, you fucking finished it.
Let's pop it, come on.
First hole, bro. Teal.
Keep it there.
Into the second round. Fuck, we're going to do from there. Take out 5 on.
Come on, buddy. Think about it. Come on.
What a cracking strike.
Set, keep it up.
Chips on. Caddy 2 putts, he bogeys. Next hole.
That's it. Dig deep now, dig deep.
Come on, dude. Go for the green. Come on. This is gold medal standard shit, bro. Come on. Come on, buddy.
Almost coming on.
Come on, Nick. Come on, dude.
Don't drop, come on.
Come on, dude. Come on.
Need a 4 minute time, bro.
Keep it up.
Come on, China. Come on.
Stay up there.
Dude, come on. You fucking got this.
Keep it going.
Come on, dude. This is easy now.
Now you toast, man. 2 close to stop.
That's it. Hold it there.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
Don't give in, come on.
Come on, dude. Come on.
Hold it up.
Come on, dude. Come on.
Strong core, that's it.
No ways.
Dude, you got this.
You got it.
Dude, you fucking got this. Come on, man. Come on.
Almost to the 3, but it's like, almost 2 minutes now.
Come on, keep it there.
Dude, come on. Don't let yourself down. Come on.
That is amazing, man. I could never get this far.
Hold it.
Come on.
Choose.
Keep it there, don't give up now.
Come on, buddy. Keep going.
Too far now, come on.
You've come way too far, China. Way too far.
Put this in the bag, come on.
No moment of weakness.
No, hold it.
Come on, dude. Come on.
Keep holding it.
Dude, come on. You've got this.
That's it. Good job. Hold it there.
Yes, almost fucking came out for the last 2 minutes.
That's it.
Come on, dude. Come on.
Yeah, good job.
Fuck, bro, you've been a legend here. Come on.
Sad, hold it. In the one zone.
Nah, it's last 2 minutes. Nah, fuck, it doesn't matter how
Come on, buddy. Come on.
fucked you up. You can do it from there.
Sad. Keep it there, keep it there.
Come on, dude. This is easy, bro. Come on.
Fucking cologne's in my eyes. In my mouth.
Come on, dude. Come on.
Almost there.
This is it, dude. The finish line.
Sad.
Bro, come on, dude. Come on.
Nice technique. You can.
Dude, you've got this. Come on.
1 minute left, 1 minute.
That's it, bro.
Come on, dude. Come on. Come on.
Sad.
What's 50 seconds when you're done? Come on. What's it?
That's it.
You got an extra 10 seconds. Just fucking rub it in. Always easy with it.
Come on, dude. 40 seconds. Don't let it go.
Sad.
Come on, dude. Come on. Come on.
Keep it there, keep it there.
That's it. Fuck, man. It's worse than the friend, really.
No, lift up.
15! Come on, boy!
Come on, boy.
Give me a countdown. Give me a countdown.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes! Last man. I'm a bar, my boy. Legend.